Well, you guys, today we've taken a look at how to fix Outlook detected an add-in problem in Outlook 2019. Now this also works with Outlook 2016, 2013 and 2010. So as you can see here, we've got a problem with third-party add-ons. Now what can happen is Outlook will slowly start up, or it will shut down really slowly and hang, or you'll have other problems like other items opening up very slowly, and this is due to the third-party add-ons that are added in to Outlook. So to open Outlook in safe mode, hold the control button on your keyboard and click on Outlook to open it. Next thing, you'll need to choose your profile. So depending whether you've got one profile or two, I've only got one here called Outlook, and I'm going to click OK and open this up, and this will open up Outlook as safe mode. And this is important because we need to disable the third-party add-ons that have been put in to our Outlook program. Another way you can open this up is by right-clicking on the start button and going to run, and this will allow us to put in a command to open up Outlook in safe mode. So just basically type in here outlook.exe, and then we want to do space / safe, and basically once you've done that, click OK, and this will open up Outlook and it will let us choose our profile again. So I've only got one profile, so I'm going to click OK here, and once this is open, you'll see we are now in Outlook safe mode as it says up the top there. If you don't see safe mode there, you're not in safe mode, and you need to get into safe mode to disable some of these third-party applications. Now there's loads of different types of third-party applications, so go into File up the top left hand side and then come down to where it says Options, and you'll see all the third-party add-ons that have been added into Outlook. Now there could be antivirus programs here, there could also be other types of browser reading type of add-ons, PDF file add-ons, loads of different types of add-ons here, Skype, you name it. And once they're inside here, they can really slow up your Outlook experience. Also, malware can put an add-on inside here as well, which you need to be careful of, and you may also want to run malware scans on your system to make sure that you have no malware on the system. So as you can see here down the bottom, you've got COM add-ins, and you've also got disable items. Now what you need to do here is select the one that you want to disable if it hasn't been disabled already, and you want to make sure that you select something that is causing a problem. And normally you'll get a message to tell you what is causing problems, whether it'll be slow openings and stuff like that, and you can then go into here, click on this and open it up here and remove the ticks on the ones that are causing the problems. Now sometimes these can take a lot of resources, so you may want to remove the ones that are taking up a lot of resources and give back your speed for your Outlook. So once you've done this, all you need to do here is click on OK, go back up to File and Options, and then you can go back into your add-ins, and you should now see inactive applications and add-ins, and these are the ones that you've just deactivated. You can also see a list on the bottom there with disabled ones. If you want to look at disabled items, you can go to that location and have a look at these, and it will give you more information about the ones that have been disabled as well. And you can remove them from your Outlook altogether if you wish. But this is a great way of resolving and troubleshooting any problems with Outlook, especially with add-ins, and these are a common problem even in browsers and stuff like that. We know that add-ons can cause problems. Anyway, that's about it for this video. It's just a quick video. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.